Welcome to my online training. Today, I will take you on SAP Fund Management with focus on budget transfer process. So this training will focus on fund transfer processes in SAP. This will expose you to how to apply SAP Fund Management Accounting tools. If at any time you have any question, please feel free to drop your question in the comment section. Okay, my name is Ya Offiong. I have over 8 years experience in SAP implementations and support in Nigeria. I'm professional in finance module. My professional certification include SAP S/4HANA Financial Accounting, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. I'm a certified information system auditor and also AWS associate. Okay. So one of the scenario is you receive a mail from the budget management department to transfer fund from budget line 72 to budget line 65. Okay. So let's log on to SAP. Let me share my screen. All right. So fund management is the accounting term for apportioning fund across budget items. This process is referred to as fund commitment. In SAP, this process is managed using commitment items. Fund management SAP modules helps in budget management, monitoring, and reporting. Most international organizations want to monitor how the budget is being dispersed. So this is always a good module to recommend. The process of fund management, the fund transfer is triggered when there are insufficient funds in an account. Hence, a request is made to transfer funds from one account's assignment, that is the budget line, to other in order to carry out posting. The budget transfer is a combination of fund center, and commitment item. Now, first, before you proceed, you need to check if the sender account assignment has sufficient funds to transfer to the receiver account assignment. All right. So, to proceed, let's check if there is fund in that very budget line, the sender account assignment. So I'm transferring from 72 to 65. Your year, financial management area, you input the financial manager. The report here is a Botcom Report. So I want to check if there is fund in that very budget line. So my fund here is 1,000. Fund center, I put the range for my fund center. My commitment item is 0030072, budget line 72. Functional areas. So the range for my functional area. So I execute this. Okay, fine. So this is the consume budget, available amounts. Okay, so I have this. There is money in that budget line. Very good. So I visit the reports. Okay. So we need to carry out the process of the transfer now. Fund transfer. So I'll key in this. I'll type FMBB on my command line field. This is the command line. Remember the command line? Discussed this before. This is a command line field. I type FMBB and I press enter. It takes you to this screen, budget workbench screen. So here now, you select budgets, value type, you select budgets. These are the process we can do on this workbench, but we're going to focus on budget transfer. Budget transfer, budget category, we leave it at payment. Document type is already selected. Budget transfer, TRFB, select TRFB. Fiscal year 2022, budget type. So let's check the budget type. Budget type is overhead. Okay. Now the period, I want it to be all crossed from the beginning of 2022. Okay. Across all the period, so I leave it to be all. Now my grants, you fill in, you select your grants. Budget type, overhead. Now this is the receiver, this is the sender information. Here is for the sender from which fiscal year, 2022, budget type, and the grants. Now the receiver, I use the same information. Grants. Yes. Okay. So take this up. Okay. So the fund here is the account assignment for this budget line. The first one is 72. I'm sending from 72 to 65. So what is the fund? What is the fund here? Fund is 1,001. The fund center for 72 is 1037. The commitment item is 000072. Functional area is then the funded program. Search for this. Select the fund program. The amount I'm sending. So the mail states that I should send this amount. Six. So right here, budget transfer. Budget transfer. Budget transfer. Okay. So take note of this. I'm sending from 37. So I use the sign I'm using here is negative sign. So this, I will change this to positive sign. This is the receiver. The form is the same form, in the same form. Then the fund center for budget line 65 is 10 7 65 as a commitment item from functional area. Inputs the amounts I'm receiving here. So I'll just copy this. Just copy, Ctrl-C, and paste it here. Like this. Budget transfer. So after then, you now check your document to be sure it's free from error. This is it. You click. So once you do this, verify all your information and check that the document is free from error. Okay, you can see here on the status bar, no error detected. Document has been checked successfully. So I can go ahead and post it. Okay, Now, the document number has been generated. Document 6000020 has been created successfully in Fund Management Area 1000, document year 2022. So let's go back and check. Let's go back and check the balance for budget line 72. So even in this process, you can actually reverse. If you want to reverse this, if there was any error, you can click on reverse and reverse it. Okay. So we go back. Let's run the Botcom report. This is the Botcom report on the Botcom. Center 1000 range. This commitment item. Okay. Let me check 65 I received. Execute this. Okay, so definitely 65 has received this, about 2.2 million. Okay, so let's go back and check. Let's also check 72. 72. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. So with this, you've successfully carried out the budget transfer process in fund management. Okay. So the scenario was for you to transfer from budget line 72 to budget line 65. And we've done that successfully. So in our next class, I will discuss other fund management transaction processing, which include budget upload, budget return, and supplement. This post is not endorsed by SAP and does not represent or replace their documentation. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Nya Ophel. Bye for now.